I wanted to create a lamp that would allow for a few different lighting conditions and that would take advantage of sort of an analog way to change the color of the light. I named it Parse, thinking about different parts of language and taking them apart and putting them together, because it is a lamp that has 3 pieces to the shade. It was designed as a part of a summer workshop through the Vignelli Design Center here in cooperation with the Corning Museum of Glass. The way it's set up right now, you're just looking at kind of pure white light, a very simple frame. This might be a good setup for while you're working. You could set down a phone or whatever else you might need. So the red piece, or you could throw tools in there, paintbrushes, pens, pencils, while you were working. And to use these glass sort of lenses in a couple of different ways. Maybe it's early in the day and you kind of just need to sort of wake up and energize yourself, and so you might choose to put in this blue filter. Maybe you're winding down your day and you want kind of a softer, warmer light, or to just the chill out mode. Last but not least, I was thinking about celebration and contemplation, and either sitting on the beach, checking out a sunset, or how it looks to see Christmas lights under the snow. I wanted to create something that would stick with the Vignelli's very minimal aesthetic from the outside, but that would hide a couple of surprises and different functions and ways of using it. There was a colored lighting piece that they did where some of the rooms were lit in different colors, and I also really love all of their dishware that stacks together colorware. So those were both inspiring pieces.